Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are exploring the single most important standard for any medical device manufacturer with global ambitions: ISO 13485-2016, the international standard for a medical device quality management system, or QMS. Its formal title is Medical Devices Quality Management Systems Requirements for Regulatory Purposes, and that last part is the key. Unlike other quality standards, its primary focus is ensuring you can consistently meet customer and, most importantly, evolving regulatory requirements worldwide. The current version of the standard was published in March 2016, replacing the previous 2003 version. This update marked a significant shift, expanding the scope to cover the entire lifecycle of a medical device. It introduced a much stronger emphasis on risk management, not just as a design stage activity, but integrated throughout all QMS processes. The 2016 version also brought increased requirements for the validation of processes, including software validation, and placed a greater responsibility on organizations to control their suppliers and outsourced activities. This ensures quality is maintained across the entire supply chain. At its core, an ISO 13485 compliant QMS requires robust processes for every stage of a device's life. This includes clear design and development controls to ensure the device is safe and performs as intended. It mandates rigorous purchasing and supplier controls to verify that components and services meet your specifications. It requires detailed procedures for production and service activities, including the validation of critical processes like sterilization. Finally, it establishes a framework for measurement, analysis, and improvement, which covers vital post-market activities like complaint handling, reporting to regulatory authorities, and implementing effective corrective and preventive actions, known as CAPAs. So, how does this unlock global markets? While certification to ISO 13485 is not a direct legal requirement in every country, it is the globally recognized model for proving compliance. In the European Union, it is the harmonized standard used to demonstrate conformity with the quality management system requirements of the Medical Device Regulation, MDR. It is a mandatory requirement for medical device licensing in Canada. Furthermore, it serves as the foundational standard for the Medical Device Single Audit Program, or MDSAP, which provides access to the United States, Canada, Brazil, Japan, and Australia through a single audit. The FDA is also finalizing its move to replace the long-standing quality system regulation with a new rule harmonized with ISO 13485, further solidifying its global importance. Ultimately, implementing ISO 13485 is not just about achieving a certificate. It is about building a culture of quality and demonstrating to regulators, partners, and customers that your devices are safe, effective, and ready for the global market. If you need help navigating the complexities of ISO 13485 or accelerating your global market access strategy, please check out Pure Global. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.